Sometimes you might not hear your phone when it rings or buzzes, especially if it's on silent or if you're in a noisy place. If so, you might find it helpful to turn on flash notifications, which use the phone's camera flash to get your attention. Once you have unlocked your Apple device, find the settings icon. It's grey and looks like an image of gears. If it's not on the first screen you see, you may need to swipe between screens to find it. Once you've found it, click on it. On the settings page, scroll down and tap Accessibility. It's blue and has a white stickman icon on it. Scroll down to the hearing section and tap on Audio and Visual. Now, scroll down to the very bottom and look for LED flash for alerts. Tap this option. You'll see a switch next to LED flash for alerts. Tap it to toggle it on. There's also an extra option just underneath called Flash in Silent Mode. If you want your phone to flash even when it's in silent mode, make sure this is switched on too. You can also choose to disable the flash when the phone is unlocked, so it doesn't flash if you're actively using the phone. Once you've switched on your chosen settings, your phone's camera flash will blink whenever you get a call, message, or other alert, even if you don't hear a sound. When you're done, you can press the back button at the top left of the screen or swipe up to return to your home screen. And that's how to turn on flash notifications to help make sure you don't miss anything important.